Okay, hey YouTube, my name is Tyler, also known as Passive Princess, back with another video. And today's video will basically be about if you can cheat, you can make money in the foreign exchange market, because all you literally have to do is copy and paste trades into the trading broker, which is LiveFX, in order to make money. So a lot of people got my Forex guide. Actually, over 1,000 people got my ebook, and it's still on sale. If you've seen this before Christmas, it's still on sale for $12.25. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. But a lot of people that I didn't even know really never heard of Forex, never traded Forex, and they just know like you can make a lot of money off of it because they saw me do it, but they don't know how to actually utilize it. So this video is going to be showing you step by step how to utilize the signals chat and how to copy and paste in order to make a profit. So before I get started with the video, I just want to go over a couple of, I guess you could say, vocabulary words that you would see in the signals chat. So they are TP, SL, market execution, buy order, and stop order. So the first one is TP. You can either see it written out as TP or you can see it written out as take profit. And that basically means if a trade hits take profit, pretty much your trade won. When you are trading the foreign exchange market, you always want to have certain benchmarks for your trade, so that if it hits that benchmark, the trading platform will take you out of that trade and take your profit out of that trade, and you'll be able to see it on the trading platform. Now, another term is called SL, which stands for stop loss. Stop loss pretty much means your trade has went in a certain deficit. So when it gets to you losing a certain amount of money, it takes you out of trade. Now, when you hit SL or when you hit stop loss, that does mean you lost money, but if you're leveraging correctly in the foreign exchange market, like losses happen, we win more than we lose. So if you're leveraging correctly, you should be good with basically the little loss that you took, because out of every one loss, we got about 10 wins, so you should be fine. Another one is market execution. So pretty much what market execution means is that when you get into the trade, you're getting into the trade like right then and there, as opposed to buy limit or sell limit, which means that you're setting the trade to a certain price so that when the market gets to that specific price, then your trade is activated. So when you press trade or when you press buy or when you press sell, if it's on a limit, it's not going to put you in that trade automatically. But if you do a market execution, once you press buy or once you press sell, you will be entered in that trade automatically. So I'm done with the boring stuff. Let's get into the actual money. This is the signals chat. Actually, this signals chat is pretty much free from our broker. Once you buy my ebook, the broker link will be included with the actual book, and then you'll get access to the signals chat once you fund your trading account with $100. So you can see this trade on here says buy gold 2617.5. That's just the range that the trade was around when the trade was called. So in order to take the signal, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the trading app. You're going to search for where it says gold. Now, another thing is gold is often written as XAU USD. So you have to find where it says XAU USD. You're going to go to the trading platform and you're going to press market order, because this is a market execution order. So gold is normally written at in the chat. If you see like buy or sell gold, when you look on the broker, it'll say XAU USD. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to, where y'all see these numbers at, the 0.5, the 0.1, that's called a lot size. You're going to put the correct lot size in that matches to however much money you have into your account. Now, that's a whole separate video. So if you're confused, that's okay. You'll have to wait on a separate video, or you can go just look it up on YouTube, how much leverage or what lot size should I use for my account. And you should see some videos that pop up. And I have older videos, they're like 3 or 4 years old, that also talks about lot size as well. But you're going to put in your correct lot size of whatever you want to use. The stop loss is on this trade 2610.5. And then you're going to put in the take profit. Now, you could go for take profit 1, take profit 2, or take profit 3. Usually what happens is in the foreign exchange market, they always give like at least 2 to 3 take profits. And usually what you'll do is if you see it getting towards take profit 1, but you want to go for more profit or go for take profit 2, then you'll move your take profit to take profit 2, and then you'll move your stop loss up to secure your profit. But if you're a beginner, you don't know shit about Forex, you don't know nothing, you never used this before, Don't do that. Just go for the take profit ones, and then once you learn more, once I make more videos, or once you find out the information for yourself, then you could go for further take profits. So you're gonna type in 2619.5, and then this is a buy, so you will press buy market. Boom, you press that, and now you're entered into the trade. And literally for every single trade that's called into the signals chat, you're gonna do that. Additionally, this is a free signals chat. I also have a paid signals chat where if you become a part of my Forex group, it's $250 to join, and you'll get way more signals. But these signals are pretty good. It's a gold chat. You get at least 2 trades a day, and then with the other free signals chat that comes when you sign up with the broker, you'll get at least 1 trade a day from that. Now, if you're looking to get into more trades to potentially make more profit, like I said, or you want a little bit more training, you need a little bit more resources, you want to join a community of other traders where you'll be able to ask questions and things like that, because what I'm hearing about the feedback that I'm getting about my ebook is like, it's a good ebook, but for somebody that's new, that knows nothing about Forex, it's a little bit confusing, which I understand that. So if you want to be able to like ask questions, be in a community of traders, and have more resources besides just the signals chat, you could go ahead and hit me up about joining my trading community, like I said, and it's $250 to start. But other than that, that's how you use a signal chat. That's how you copy, paste, and profit. If you've ever cheated before, which I know a lot of you guys have, then you should be able to use this, and this is like one of the easiest ways to make money going into the new year. So that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, follow me on all social medias to stay up to date, and I will see you guys in the next video.